The hack of today is how to realize the importance of Boolean operator during the search in academic database. Many PhD students just to make it easier and then drop keywords without paying attention to the Boolean structure by itself. Today I will guide you for an evidence-based journey to prove for you how important is Boolean operators when you use a academic database and how it leads at some points to high quality and enrich searching experiences. So let's do it. If I go somehow to this academic database, which is OpenAlex, and write these questions: PhD students use AI or generative AI in academic writing. This is easy as more likely students use to have direct searching words and then search about it. So if you realize we have here two appeared results only. Keep this in mind. Now I'm going to try something else. I will go to ChatGPT and ask ChatGPT, please write to me a well-structured search string using Boolean operator for the following search, and I would write PhD students use generative AI in writing, and then ask ChatGPT to write for me the structured search string, let's say. So let's say this could be the one I'm searching for. I'm going just to copy it completely. It's really hard to write it manually, so therefore I ask ChatGPT to make it for me, and then coming back to the academic search database, and then put the code. If you realize the code that he started to put for me all variation for the same word, so PhD students, doctoral students, PhD candidate, as well can be candidate, candidates is plural, and then jumping to the second one as well. Try to put some alternative, generative AI, Gen AI, large language model, or ChatGPT, or whatever. And then writing, or academic writing, or thesis, or dissertation, or research writing, and use, or using, or whatever. So here you see that he put some details about search using Boolean operators. Let's see what could be the result here. Remember, last time it was 2, this time is 1,230. So you realize now how it is important to use Boolean operators when you seek in academic database. So remember these kind of guidelines, that is using Boolean operator is recommended to obtain relevant and accurate references.